Suzie. I've done another video of Suzie again. I don't know why.
Try not to talk in this one.
Yeah. Yeah, I try not to. Yeah. You cute little dog, Suzie. Yeah, Suzie was born in 9th of October 2021. Don't know why I just said that. So cute though. So we're just gonna sit there and chill. And that's it. Suzie! What game's loving girl? Yeah, Suzie's real name is Suzuki, or what it's called. Suzuki, yeah, Suzuki. Suzuki! Yeah, but we mostly call her Suzie, for short. Yeah.
If you look at the dog's slobber.
Yeah, and over there is my uncle's dog, Doug. Yeah. Oh, there's slobber everywhere.
Natural, innit?
Yeah, there's Doug. And who's like 1, I think, about the same age as Suzie, but a little bit younger. And I think he was, yeah, 5th of August. Born on 5th of August 2022. Yeah. You're so cute. Yeah. So you're South African Mastiff. Yeah, South African Mastiff is a little bit similar to a bulldog, but it's not actually a bulldog. Right, that Doug. So cute, Doug. I'm trying not to confuse it, guys. Like, which dog am I going to look at in the video? Like either Suzie or Doug. I got another dog at home, and her name is Pocket. Yeah, just got another dog at home, and her name is Pocket. And Pocket is about a little bit older than Suzie and Doug. Yeah. And she doesn't bark like Suzie. She just like growls at male dogs, like coming near her. Like she wants to be left alone away from male dogs. But Doug is a male dog. Yeah, he's a boy. Yeah. So here you go, Suzie. Yeah. I might be able to go on the playground, but I'm a bit too old to go on the playground and stuff. Yeah.
I don't know, you might be able to. Have a look at the sign.
Yeah. We're just going to look at the sign.
Oh, you jumped there.
Yeah. Here we have, dogs are excluded. That means, it means, yeah. We've got no alcohol, no smoking, no ball games. It means football and none of that. No bicycles. Yeah, no bicycles, no nothing. This play area is suitable for children 12 years and under. Adult supervision for children under 8 years. Yeah. Sorry guys, I don't mean to confuse you about the sign on the gate. Hello. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my next video of the Suzie video. Just be sure to click the like button as hard as you can and subscribe to Tarot Teeth, leave some comments down below, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.